Don't let dehydration spoil your trip. Keep your cool and keep hydrated with this thermal flask. The flask is suitable for hot beverages as well as cold drinks, so whether you're fueled by a caffeine boost or cool, refreshing water, you're good to go. What makes the trtl flask so special? The trtl travel flask holds up to 600 milliliters and keeps cold drinks cool for up to 24 hours and hot drinks hot for around 12 hours. The handy clip allows you to attach your flask to your bag, keeping it safe but within easy reach. The secure, leak-proof storage lid means that you keep your water where you want it. In the flask. BPI-free, better for you and the planet. High-quality powder coat matte finish keeps the bottle looking good for longer. The trtl flask keeps your essential small items and your favorite drink with you at all times. No need to worry about spills or leaks as the leak-proof storage lid seals your drink securely. As a bonus, the lid is also designed to keep your belongings safe and secure, perfect for carrying medicine, small jewelry, or any other valuable items. With the secure and sturdy clip, you can easily attach the flask to your bag or case, ensuring that it's always within reach and never lost. Whether you're out for a hike, exploring a new city, or just running errands, the trtl flask is the perfect companion for all your adventures. These Soundcore earplugs are the business. Great looking and the sound is fantastic. Let's take a quick look at its attributes. Reduce noise by up to 98.5%. Liberty 4NC noise cancelling earbuds have a high sensitivity in-ear sound sensor, an oversized driver, and an innovative noise isolation chamber that cancels up to 98.5% of noise for peaceful travel. Adaptive ANC 2.0 makes real-time calculations and adjusts to your ear canals and external environment for maximum quiet amongst the hustle and bustle. 11mm custom-tuned drivers deliver consistently crisp and detailed sound. Experience high-res wireless audio and LDAC technology that transfers 3 times more data than regular Bluetooth, bringing wireless music to life. Not everyone listens the same, so use Hear ID 2.0 to find the perfect sound profile for you. If you want to mix it up, the EQ is fully adjustable or choose from 22 presets to match your audio. 10H/50H worry-free battery. A single charge is enough to enjoy uninterrupted entertainment for a trip across the US. Pack Liberty 4NC for your next adventure and listen to 1,000 tracks or watch 30 movies back-to-back with no battery anxiety. What's in the box? Liberty 4NC, charging case, extends battery life to 50 hours. Extra small, medium and larger tips. USB-C charging cable. These earplugs are fantastic. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. Be prepared in the home or on the go. Use Portawipes compressed coin tissues anywhere. Just add a tablespoon of water and you've got a luxurious and hygienic wipe ready to use. In the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garage, school or even the workplace. With the included waterproof cases, take them with you everywhere you go. Great for the outdoors, camping, hiking or out on the boat. Great for survival enthusiasts. Larger, softer and stronger. With a fabric weight of 54 grams per square meter, Portawipes are the thickest compressed tissues you can buy. Plus they're up to 27% larger than common compressed tissues. Avoid the rough cheesecloth texture of common coin tissues. Our unique jacquard fabric is softer on the skin and stronger than other brands. Superior to wet naps, wipes or paper towels. It's a difference you can see and feel. Light, small, and portable soap sheets for hand washing offer discreet and convenient to use as hiking soap, camping soap, and family travel soap. These foaming hand soap refills form a light lather that dissolves quickly and prevents dry hands. Naturally moisturizing portable hand washing soap is gentle on the skin while potent on the toughest of dirt and contaminants. This mini soap is small in size yet huge in functionality. The natural hand soap, with potent plant extracts, is family safe, wholesome, and leaves no residue. Take a Fomin paper soap sheet in your hands. Add water and rub your hands to form a lather. Rinse, dry, and enjoy clean hands. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. Store your digital clutter with ease. In our opinion, the Peak Design Tech Pouch is the best organizer on the market. Huge capacity for chargers, cables, cords, battery packs, memory cards, peripherals, pens, and more. 21 soft, elastic pockets keep gear separated. Clamshell opening gives instant visibility and access to everything. High-quality weatherproof protective construction. The only tech organizer that is climate neutral certified, 100% carbon neutral. Exterior fabric is weatherproof 200D nylon. Nylon and polyester PC and TPU coated fabrics, woven nylon webbing, EVA foam, Hypalon. Origami-style internal pocket layouts for aesthetic and sleek organization. Cable organization with pass-through for charging devices. Various top and side soft-lined, zippered stash pockets for items. Cable pass-through. Strap compatible. Pen slots. Dual hand straps. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. This versatile crowd pleaser has dual storage sections that keep essentials at hand, and the rest stowed and streamlined. This backpack has it all. The looks, versatility, durability, water resistant to name a few. Internal organization includes 16 laptop sleeve, letter size document slip, elevated stretch pocket and 2 mesh zip pockets. Quick access top pocket has dividers and slip pockets that keep your smaller gear organized. Full length zipper allows the front flap to drop down, giving you as much or as little access as you need. External pockets include a hidden valuables pocket with key clip, and a large water bottle pocket that can double as a tripod holder. Measures 500mm by 330mm by 190mm, 19.7 inches by 13 inches by 7.5 inches. Made from durable, water-resistant recycled fabric, with water-resistant coated zippers. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. The Mojics Super Bagel is an international travel adapter, an extension cable and an outlet splitter, all in one small convenient package. Let's look all the features that this adapter has going on. Starting here, we have 2 USB ports. One is USB-A. One is USB-C. The USB-C can charge up to 18 watts independently, so it is fast charging, which is great. And then we have 4 ports on these sides. You can basically plug in accessories here. It has an extension cable. You unplug it from itself and you just unwind it. How cool is that? And then to top it all off, we've got this adapter here in the middle of the bagel. You punch this out and then it becomes a bagel, hence its name. It's one of the smallest outlet adapters that I've seen to date. If you don't need the extension cable cord functionality, you could travel with just this. There's a couple of different configurations here which allows it to be used in many countries. This is another outlet type like EU. You press this red button here. You can push these back down into place. My favorite is this UK compatibility that just flies out of here and twists around and goes right into that little pocket there. It just fits so nicely. You can travel with just this if you'd like. However, if you want the outlet splitting and the extension cable, you got to bring the full bagel. Here, we show a typical setup with a bunch of adapters being used. The nice thing about the Mojics Super Bagel is it is very lightweight. Sometimes with adapters, especially if you're plugging in a big brick, they can start to wedge and fall out of the wall because of the weight. Using the Mojics Super Bagel and the extension cable, you don't run into this issue. If you do have a big brick like this and you're using like a standard extension cable, normally this will block the use of other outlets. The Mojics Super Bagel round shape offers a lot of versatility because you can plug a lot of different items into it. You got to love how self-contained and easily the Mojics Super Bagel packs up. When you're ready to go, just start winding the cable around like so and then it just plugs into itself really neatly. It packs away very nicely into all tech kits too. It's very thin and doesn't take up a ton of space like some other outlet adapters do. If the adapter trips, you just need to wait a few minutes for the self-resetting fuse to kick in and reset. So there you have it. The Mojics Super Bagel. It's well worth having this gadget around for your next trip. Tripped compression packing cubes for travel. Compression packing bags are a packing essential for travel. They are especially useful as a backpack, luggage and suitcase organizer. Keep different outfits in separate compression cubes and always be ready for what's next. Easily pack away clothing like raincoats/heavier jackets that are not used as often. Use empty cubes to pack dirty laundry in and keep your suitcase or backpack organized. Compression packing cubes help you with packaging your clothes for upcoming trips by compressing the air out of them. These are not your typical vacuum bags. These expandable cubes use a 2-zipper system to help eliminate the extra bulk when packing your luggage. The zippers literally compress your clothes together and eliminate wasted space. Skip the extra fees of a checked-in bag. Eliminate the bulk and use a carry-on instead. Each set contains a different assortment of packing cubes. The 6-piece sets come in various colors: white and green, navy blue and white, gray and orange, gray and brown, graphic, dusty teal and white, dusty rose, national park. Our ripstop polyurethane fabric stands up to non-stop travel. It is ultra lightweight and durable, and as well as being more reliable than even nylon alternatives for packing cubes. Additionally, polyurethane fabric is water resistant to help keep moisture out of your clothes wherever they're packed. Zipper on the packing cubes all have reinforced zipper stops. Zippers used for expanding and compressing function of bags have been reinforced with double stitching. Large bag holds a week's worth of shirts. Medium holds a week's worth of underwear and socks. Example: large holds rain jacket, zip hoodie, long sleeve t-shirt, and a cardigan. Small will hold 5 women's size medium t-shirts. Set includes 2 large cubes, 2 small cubes, 1 laundry bag, 1 tube cube. Step 1. Fill cube. Step 2. Zip closed. Step 3. Use zipper to compress and remove air. Step 4. Off you go. The laundry bag is an excellent addition. Just stuff your dirty laundry in the bag and compress. Voila! Problem solved. Pack your bags and join us on the ultimate journey with Travel Food Wine. As we jet set to exotic destinations all around the world, we'll immerse ourselves in the heart of its culture, uncover hidden gems, and of course, indulge in the finest local cuisines paired with exquisite wines. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our upcoming explorations, where we'll weave the tales of travel, gastronomy, and wine into a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. So, whether you're a travel enthusiast, a foodie, or a wine connoisseur, welcome to the Travel Food Wine community. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and let's embark on a journey of flavors, stories, and destinations. Until then, this is Travel Food Wine, where every adventure begins with a plate and ends with a toast. Cheers!